Hello everyone, welcome you all. Today we have a discussion on Matriarch Day or Shahid Divas, which was celebrated on 23rd March of every year. Because in 1931, on 23rd March, we lost our three young leaders, namely Sukhdev Thapar, Bhagat Singh and Shivram Rajguru. So, it is one of the saddest day for all Indians. First, we have to know why Matriarch Day or Shahid Divas celebrated in India. Because Shahid Divas is observed every year in India on March 23. In the remembrance of our brave soldiers who sacrificed themselves for the country or for the independence of the country. The Shahid Divas is also celebrated to mark the death anniversary of our courageous freedom fighters Sukhdev Thapar, Bhagat Singh and Shivram Rajguru. Today we celebrate 91st death anniversary of our great heroes. So, before understand the history behind Matriarch Day, first we have to know about Sukhdev Thapar, Bhagat Singh and Shivram Rajguru one by one. Sukhdev Thapar, born on 15th May 1907 and died on 23rd March 1931. He was an Indian revolutionary who worked to make India independent. Sukhdev Thapar was a member of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association or HSRA and Naujawan Bharat Sabha NJSB. And throughout his life, he organized many revolutionary cells in Punjab and other areas of North India. He was the chief of Punjab unit of Hindustan Socialist Republican Association or HSRA. His major revolutionary activities are: he is best remembered for his involvement in the assassination of Assistant Superintendent of Police J.P. Saunders on 17 December 1928. He, as a prisoner, goes for hunger strike in 1929. He is also known for his assault in Lahore conspiracy case 1929-1930. On 23rd March 1931, Thapar was hanged in Lahore Central Jail along with Bhagat Singh and Shivram Rajguru. So, this is about the short activities. So, this is all about the major activities taken by Sukhdev Thapar. Bhagat Singh, born on 27 September 1907 and he also died on 23rd March 1931. He was a charismatic Indian revolutionary who worked to make India independent. In December 1928, he was a prominent member of Hindustan Republican Association or HRA. Borrowing ideas from Bolshevism and anarchism, he electrified a growing militancy in India, specifically in 1930s. He adopted many non-violent or revolutionary means, but it is a successful campaign for freedom struggle movement of India. His major revolutionary activities include he participated in several acts of sabotage against British institutions, also participated in the mistaken murder of a junior British police officer, John Saunders, and another police officer, Chanan Singh, a head constable. He also a part of the bombing at Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi. With Sukhdev Thapar, he also gone for hunger strike in jail. He also hanged on 23rd March 1931 at 7:30 p.m. in the Lahore jail. So, this is about Bhagat Singh. Another important freedom fighter is Shivaram Rajguru. He born in 24 October 1908 and died in 23rd March 1931. He was an Indian revolutionary from Maharashtra before the state of Bombay. He was mainly known for his involvement in the assassination of British police officer John Saunders. He was an active member of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association or HSRA. He took part in the assassination of British police officer at Lahore on 17 December 1928. His action is to avenge the death of Lala Lajpat Rai, who had died a fortnight later after being badly beaten by the police while on a march protesting the Simon Commission. Shivaram Rajguru also hanged by the British government on the same day, that is 23rd March 1931. Let's discuss about the history of Matriarch Day. The British government in 1928 set up Simon Commission headed by John Simon, which was boycotted in India because no Indians were included in the commission. When the commission visited Lahore on October 30, 1928, it was met with chants of Simon go back or go back Simon. There is black flags showing before Simon Commission and a non-violent march led by Lala Lajpat Rai also occurred at that place. In this time, Police Superintendent James A. Scott ordered the lathi charge on the protester and the police beat Lala Lajpat Rai to death. Bhagat Singh witnessed the incident and he along with Rajguru and Sukhdev tried to take revenge of the death of Lala Lajpat Rai. The three young men threw explosive bomb over the Central Legislative Assembly on 8 April 1929 with the slogan of Inqilab Zindabad and also killed Assistant Police Superintendent John Saunders. So for this work, the British government fined him convinced. The British government fined him guilty and hanged to death. For the above work, the British government fined them guilty and declared hanged to death on March 23, 1931 in Lahore jail. And this day is a black day in Indian history, and to remember the sacrifice of the leaders, we celebrate Matriarch Day every year on March 23. The sacrifice of the freedom fighters have great significance and importance, because at the time when they are sanctioned to death, they are very young. The Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev Thapar were 23-year-old, while Shivram Rajguru was just 22 years old. So they are very young. Their sacrifice had inspired many other young people to come forward and fight for their motherland in the best possible way. It was the bravery of these three heroes that they sacrificed their lives for the country to gain independence. And that is why, to honor their sacrifice, the country observes Matriarch Day on March 23 every year. Beside the Matriarch Day of 23rd March, in India, there is other national observance as Matriarch Day. First, 30 January is celebrated as Matriarch Day because on 30 January 1948, Nathuram Godse assassinated M.K. Gandhi. 19 May also celebrated as Bhasha Shahid Divas or Language Matriarch Day because in 19 May 1960, the Bengali language movement protest in Barak Valley in the state of Assam to make Assami the only official language of the state of Assam. So, the main incident happened when 15 people were killed by the police. So, to remember the sacrifice of these 15 people, 19 May celebrated as Bhasha Shahid Divas. The next important day is 21 October, celebrated as Police Matriarch Day or Police Commemoration Day, because on this day in 1958, the Central Reserve Police Force patrol at the Indo-Tibetan border in Ladakh was ambushed by Chinese forces as part of the ongoing Sino-Indian border dispute. Next one is 17 November, celebrated as the death anniversary of Lala Lajpat Rai as Matriarch Day. Next is 24 November, because on 24 November 1674, the 9th Sikh Guru Tegh Bahadur executed by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. So, the death anniversary of Tegh Bahadur observed as Matriarch Day in India. On Matriarch Day, many of our leaders pay a tribute to Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. In this regard, PM Modi said that tribute to the immortal son of Mother India, Bir Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru on Matriarch Day. His passion to die for the motherland will always inspire the countrymen. Long live India. In the word of Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, my humble tribute to the valiant freedom fighters Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev on their martyred day. Their indomitable spirit and love for motherland ignited the spark of patriotism among countless Indians. The nation is eternally indebted to them for their supreme sacrifices. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi also paid tribute to the matriarchs by saying Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru are the thoughts that will remain immortal forever. However, a voice will be raised against injustice. These matriarchs will have an expression in that voice. In the heart which will have the desire to die for the country, the name of these three heroes will be in that heart. Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann also said that I pay homage to the unparalleled martyrdom of Shahid-e-Azam Sardar Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. Let's make Punjab a corruption-free, prosperous and golden Punjab by realizing the demand of the great matriarch who laid down their precious lives for the freedom of the country. In the last part, we have some quotes of Matriarchs Day 2022. First one is, the people who have really made history are the matriarchs. Second one is, they may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can cross my body, but they will not be able to cross my spirit. Another one is, Inqilab Zindabad. Next one is, let us all be brave enough to die the death of a matriarch, but let no one lust for martyrdom. Last one is, it is easy to kill individuals, but you cannot kill ideas. So, this is all about Matriarch Day and its significance in India. So, by conclusion, we may say that the sacrifice of all the three heroes, Sukhdev Thapar, Bhagat Singh and Shivaram Rajguru, are always remembered by every Indian. So, that's all for today. Thank you.